put on a little bit of makeup because I felt like it, but I honestly don't really need to be on camera besides vlogging today, and you know, it's very casual for the vlog, so I just have like a little sports bra and a zip up and black pants, pajama pants, because we're just keeping it comfy today. And then I threw my hair up in a little clip because I don't want to do my hair. But okay, I wanted to take you guys along on how I film my mini vlogs, aesthetically pleasing TikToks, reels, that kind of stuff. Like the creativity behind these little like vlog videos is just endless. So I'm just going to show you how I do my filming process and editing process, because I know a lot of people have different equipment and apps and stuff, so I'll just show you my way. Shameless plug, follow me on Instagram Reels and follow me on TikTok, because I post a lot of like these little mini vlogs, little aesthetically pleasing vlogs. I like to think they're aesthetically pleasing, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started because I need to film a little TikTok of my desk. I just posted my desk tour video, so I want to do a little promo on TikTok. To film these little videos, I just use my iPhone. This is the 12 Pro Max. Honestly, it is all about the camera settings. You can go in your settings and change the quality of your iPhone. So my settings right now are 4K resolution in 60 frames per second. I just feel like the shots are so smooth. It gives me the most crisp quality for an iPhone. It's literally unreal in certain lighting. So 4K resolution, 60 frames per second. You can bounce back and forth between like 30 or 60, and you can do like 1080 resolution if you want, but for me, 4K baby. And I know a lot of people do like a filter on top of their videos, like they make them like very dark or like low exposure. I don't really do that, but what you would do for the low exposure is you just tap on the phone where you want to focus, and then there's going to be like a little sun little picture right there, and you just like slide down, and that's how you get the low exposure shots. But I don't typically do that. I just know that a lot of people ask questions on how to do that, so there's your answer. I also use a little tripod. I got this on Amazon for like 30 bucks. I honestly would get a better quality one, especially if you do YouTube videos and you do these little mini vlogs and stuff like all the time. This one kind of breaks on me, like the top piece. I'm just gonna like screw this on, but there's times where this just like completely falls apart. So that's a good recommendation. Find like a really good tripod. This is definitely one of the cheaper ones. And then the key is, with any tripod I feel like nowadays that you order, it comes with this little attachment. This is a iPhone attachment, so you literally stretch this and your phone goes on it. So let me just do this really quick. It holds up your phone like this, and you just screw it on your tripod, and that's how you get like the vertical videos. I also have like a handheld like mini tripod that I just screw this little attachment on, and I'm good to go on that. I also just recently bought this ring light tripod on Amazon. I needed to find like a good ring light that was smaller. I have a bigger one. It's just so hard to like lug around and stuff. So I decided on getting a smaller one. It came with this little attachment as well, with the little iPhone holder, and you can literally bend it. This is fun if you want to do like beauty videos, or you just need more lighting in your videos. I actually have pretty good lighting as of right now. I'm actually feeling pretty early, but this has different like lighting modes, and then you can adjust the brightness. So I absolutely love this. I'll link this down below as well, even though I'm not using it. But I'm gonna go ahead and start filming. So again, I just opened up literally just my camera app on video. It's 4K video, 60 frames per second. And sometimes I'll use the tripod or I'll just freehand it. I like to stay in one spot. And then sometimes I'll either zoom in on my camera or I'll move and get closer. And then in editing, what I'll do is I'll splice it up really fast. The cool thing about these videos is they're so fun to make. Like, they're just so time consuming. Like, you could get as creative or as sloppy as you want with these videos. It really doesn't matter. Okay, so I switched the angle here. I'm gonna do that. And I'm actually gonna switch it up and put the laptop on here. Okay, cute. Kind of like the shot, and I can just do like a quick pan. I really like that. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Okay, that was really smooth. I really like that. Okay, I'm gonna do the headphones. Little pan. Okay, so now the next scene I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the desk raising. So I'm gonna make it go like max height, but in editing I'm gonna speed it up. And now it's raising, and then in editing I'm gonna speed it up really quick. The cables are so annoying. I could also reverse the clip and make it go down too. Depends on how I'm feeling. I think that's good enough. I show more details in like the actual video. This is gonna be like the little promo, so I don't want to like share everything, just like the highlights of it. So that is like how I film my little TikToks. Okay, you guys, so I am airdropping the footage from my phone to my computer. I like to just store the raw footage on my little lacy hard drive. And then delete the footage off of my phone, because with 4K video, it's going to take up so much space. And even if you don't use 4K video, just having a ton of like videos really racks up your storage. So I just immediately delete them off my phone as soon as they're airdropped into my computer. So I am just going to import this. The editing software that I use is Final Cut Pro, and that's like a $300 software, so don't think that you have to like pay that much to edit videos. You could use iMovie on your phone. I know CapCut is another app that TikTokers use. There's so many like free editing apps. For me, I just use Final Cut because that's what I use to edit my YouTube videos. And I know how to use the software really well, so it's just easier on my end to just put it on my computer and edit it all. And the first thing I immediately do is mute all the clips because I don't need any sound for these clips. Now, if it was like an ASMR kind of video, then I would leave the sound on or just turn down the volume, but this is gonna be completely off. And all I'm really gonna do is just kind of splice up the little clips that I like. I only have 4 minutes of footage, and I'm looking to cut it down to hopefully at least 15 seconds. I kind of want to stay in that 7 to 15 second range because it's not gonna be a full video. This is a promotional for YouTube videos. Typically these little mini vlogs like to be very, very quick. So having little like 0.05 seconds or 0.25 seconds of a clip is actually like pretty normal. So I'm just gonna go through and like trim everything, and then we'll go on to the next step. Got the video down to about 12 seconds. Now I'm just gonna rearrange things around. I'm gonna go ahead and move that around, and then I'll show you guys the final product. Okay, so I actually managed to shave more footage down, so I'm down to about 10 seconds of footage. And one thing I totally forgot to mention before I got started, if you're going to be doing any editing on your computer or any kind of editing software, make sure that your dimensions on your video is 1080 by 1920, because it's going to give you the vertical video instead of the normal like video size, and you would have to like crop the video, which will lose a lot of the quality. So I'm going to export this. Also, I did a little 2022 vision board. Super cute. Okay, so this is exported. I'm going to airdrop it to myself. Okay, so I have the video right here. It looks so crispy and good. So to find the audio, because I exported it while muted, I gotta find audio on TikTok or Reels. So because I'm posting this on TikTok, I'm just gonna go on TikTok and look through like trending audios on my For You page or any that I've saved. But sometimes I'll have a specific audio I want to use, which I'll just like screen record the audio or save it depending on what platform it is, and then I'll put the audio clip in the editing. I kind of like that audio. Let's see if that works. So I'll just use the audio and see what that sounds like. It's actually really good. Okay, I really like that because the key is like having audio that's long enough to last the entire video. So that's something also to think about. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the little text throughout the video, and then I'll be done. I'll do the hashtags and then post it. I wrote out my caption. Again, this is going to be a preview to my YouTube video. I want all of my viewers to go to the YouTube video to check it out. So I'm going to test this out. So I put a little text right here, and then halfway through the video, I put a little text that says in-depth tour on YouTube, just so the people know. And then I also added on my description as well as some relevant hashtags. This is going to be the cover. Super nice. So now that I have all of that in, I just post. But yeah, I'm just starting to add on TikTok. I'm not getting like a lot of views and engagement right now because I am just trying to catch myself back up on posting content because I've been a ghost for like months. So I'm trying to like regain my views and followers and stuff again, but it's gonna be a while, which is totally fine. It's such a fun process. However, it's so time consuming because you can like get caught up in like the littlest details, from filming to like the caption, hashtag, that kind of stuff. But overall, just having fun with it. Especially like on my actual TikTok page, I feel like I'm just like posting random things and just like trying to get back in the groove of things because I have literally been a ghost on TikTok for months. So I'm trying to regain my trust with the algorithm again. So yeah, I am done with that. I'm not going to post it on my Instagram reels. However, I did make an Instagram post in my feed saying that I had a new video, and it's my desk. So literally everyone that follows me on social media know that I posted a desk tour video. So that's all good. I am going to make some coffee and probably go for a walk soon, so I'll catch you guys up in the few minutes that it takes me to go downstairs. Throwback to like 7 hours ago when I was like in the same angle and I was like, I'm dragging, I'm so tired. Here we are with another coffee. Cheers. It's a vanilla cold brew with vanilla cold foam. Okay, so I still have a little bit more editing I need to do with other like TikToks right now. Give myself a little bit of a break. I'm gonna go out for a walk because it is like really sunny out and it's supposed to be clear all week. And anytime it's not raining, I want to go for a walk because I miss going outside and walking and stuff. And then I'm gonna continue editing, and then I don't know what else I'm gonna be doing. I think I'm just gonna do more computer work or just like lounge around because I don't have like too much I gotta do today. I might want to get these removed because it's been like over 2 weeks since I've had them, and instead of finding the nail and gluing it back on, like I have been doing, I think I'm just going to take them all off and like give my nails a breathing break, and then might do like nail polish sometime this week. Or get more of these press-on nails. I love the Olive & June press-on nails and the glue. I absolutely love them. They actually have been on my nails for like 2 weeks. Granted, like maybe 2 or 3 nails fell, but that's not bad at all. Like I literally cleaned the bathrooms and did the dishes every night with these nails on. And typically with like normal nail polish, they'll just like chip if you like deal with like a lot of water and bleach and stuff, but these are good. More froth, and then I'm gonna go ahead, get dressed, and go on this walk. My sleepy tea with me. I'm gonna finish this up, watch some YouTube, and then head off to bed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog really soon. Bye!